Hi students, warm greetings to you all. This is your maths mentor Valli. In this video, we are going to see Samachir Kalvi, class 9, first chapter, set language. Introduction. Students, the word set is a new word for you. Okay, let us first have a outlook of set language. In our daily life, we often deal with a collection of books, stamps, coins, etc. In the first picture, we have a collection of fruits. In the second picture, we have the collection of objects used in our maths classroom. Okay, now in the first picture, we have collected the fruits which are of same species. Okay, now set language is a mathematical way of representing a collection of objects. Now set definition. A set is a well defined collection of objects. See the word well defined. So well defined collection of objects means that given a specific object, it must be possible for us to decide. The objects of set are called elements. அதாவது நன்கு வரையறுக்கப்பட்ட பொருட்களின் தொகுப்பு தான் செட். இதில் அந்த ஒவ்வொரு செட்டில் உள்ள ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸையும் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ அதோடைய கேரக்டர்ஸை பார்ப்போம். த எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் செட் ஆர் லிஸ்டட் ஒன்லி ஒன்ஸ். அதாவது இப்போ செட் ஏ கண்டைன்ஸ் 2, 3, 4, 5. தட் மீன்ஸ் the elements comes only once. The order of listing the elements of set does not change the list. For example, in the set A, we have listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the second set A, we have listed 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7. Both are same. Even if the order is changed, both the sets are same. Now, we have, when you are asked for your identity, you say your name, isn't it? So, likewise, a set can also be named with the English alphabets. That is, a set is usually denoted by capital letters of English alphabets. Okay. The second one, the elements of set is written within the curly brackets. It is supposed to write the elements of set inside a curly bracket. That means set notation. If x is an element of a set A, that means we read it as x belongs to A. So if you study in class 9 means you belong to class 9. So likewise, if x is an element of set A means x belongs to A. So in notation, we write it as x belongs to A. We read this as x belongs to A. Next one, if x is not an element of set A, that means x does not belongs to A. That means we write it as x does not belongs to A. That means we read that as x does not belongs to A. For example, if set A contains the elements A, B, C, D. Now, here A belongs to A, isn't it? So, A is an element of A. So, B is an element of A means B belongs to A. C is an element of A means C belongs to A. D is an element of A means D belongs to A. Where does Y belongs to A? No. Y does not belongs to A. Why? Y is not an element of A. So, what is the sum? Which of the following are sets? So, the first one, the collection of prime numbers up to 100. Now, As I told you that set is a collection of well-defined objects. So, can we collect the prime numbers up to 100? Yeah. The prime numbers means the numbers which are not which are divisible by 1 and itself. So, let us can we frame that? Yes. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, it starts from 2, 3, 5, etc. So, this is a possible collection. That means well-defined collection of objects. So, the collection of prime numbers up to 100 is a set. The question is, which of the following are set? Means this is set. Okay, the collection of rich people in India. See here, rich people. The word rich, it differs from one to another. The people who seems to be rich may not be rich for you. So here we cannot say that who are rich people. So this is not a set. So likewise, beautiful girls. So the girl who is beautiful for me may not look beautiful for you. அதாவது உனக்கு வந்து பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக தெரிகிறது, எனக்கு பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக தெரியாது. அதே மாதிரி இந்த ரிச் எனக்கு ரிச்சுன்னு தெரிகிறது, உனக்கு ரிச்சுன்னு தெரியாது. அதனால் இதை வந்து நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஃபார்முலேட் பண்ண முடியாது இந்த ரிச்சுங்கிறதுக்கு. அதனால தான் the collection of rich people in India is not a set. Okay. The collection of all rivers in India. Yeah, we can collect all the names of rivers in India. It is possible. So, it is a set. Now, if the question is the collection of good rivers in India, that we cannot say that it is a set. Understand? Okay. The collection of good hockey players. This is also good cannot be defined. Okay. The definition for good may differ from one person to other person. So, it is not a set.